Hey everybody, today I want to show you how I built, I guess, shoe shelves out of nothing but cardboard boxes, and more specifically out of my HelloFresh boxes. I built, there's my little doggy, those cardboard shelves out of nothing but boxes, and I also used zip ties, a stapler, heavy duty stapler, and a knife to cut some of the cardboard. Oh, and I also used a punch, but I already took that downstairs because I ended up punching my hand here. But anyway, so the punch was used to put the zip ties through. Come on, focus. There we go. And it turned out pretty nice, and it's actually pretty sturdy. And to raise it up a little bit, I put 4 boxes on the bottom there. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 boxes here for shoes. I mean, I could use them for anything though, because it's really sturdy. And let me get a little bit closer here and show you. I actually left the flaps on because I figured that would make it more, more sturdy and give it more strength. And then with the zip ties, I just put them through. I poked the hole with the awl or ice pick, whatever you want to call it, and that's how I got stabbed my hand. And so be careful if you're gonna even attempt to do anything like this. So there's all the zip ties, and I just kind of brought it together because a lot of the boxes were like they weren't I mean, like totally flat and perfect boxes. So a lot of them were, crushed, or the sides were warped, or, just they weren't perfect boxes. But I tried to bring them together with the zip ties, and I also put some tape on the back. This is just like, you can't even really see it, but clear tape. I was going to use duct tape, and I thought, no, you'd be able to see the duct tape, so I just used clear tape. So what I did was, after I was done with this, I just completely laid the whole thing down here on the ground, and then I just taped up the back. So the back is pretty sturdy. And another thing that I thought about doing was maybe just putting some, like a screw, and find the stud back here in the wall, and then just like with a big washer on it, zoop, and zip it right into the wall. Just maybe 1, 2, maybe just even 2 would work, really. But it's fine the way it is too, because then if I attach it to the wall, I wouldn't be able to move it around and stuff. And I'm not for sure exactly if I'm going to leave it sitting right there, because my desk is right there. So, anyway, that's how to make a cardboard shoe shelves. And like I said, I just used the HelloFresh boxes that I've been getting, and you can see I've got more over here in the corner. I've had these stacked up for a while, and I was going to use them whenever I move, because I'm planning on moving. But I thought, well, you know what? I'm going to make a shelf, because I've been wanting something to put my shoes in for a while. So, and you could really put anything in there, clothes, little boxes, whatever, anything. And you could also actually turn the boxes lengthwise, I guess, and then so you'd have a longer box if you wanted to put something longer in them. I could actually do that right now. Just turn it over. But I like it the way it is. I like it the way it turned out. So, and it's pretty sturdy, and it was all the stuff I actually had here. So I had everything. Oh, well, no, I lied about that. The one thing I did buy on Amazon was this heavy-duty stapler gun. So it's a heavy-duty one. And the staples, I don't know if I showed you guys, but they are, let me show you on this empty one right here. So staple there, just to fold the flaps in, so the flaps wouldn't be, moving around and stuff. So, and you can actually cut the flaps off, but I want it to be sturdy. And I didn't really care how it was going to look too much, because as you can see, some of my shoes are really, really dirty and messed up anyways. Not all of them, but some of them are. Actually, most of my shoes are. But, this keeps them off the floor and up somewhere, and they're not in the way in the closet, and nice and neat. So I know this video's went on forever, but thanks for watching.